Everyone, good morning and welcome to my channel. My name is Liliana, this is Vanillandcanela, and this week we have something a little bit special going on. I am doing a collab with Kristin from Kristin's Chaotic Life channel. There'll be a link to her channel below, as always, and it's 5 days of power hours. So from Monday to Friday this week, you will have a video up from me and from her, and there's loads of other people taking part as well. So as soon as I can, I'll link a playlist below. Now, if you don't know what a power hour is, it was invented by Style Mum XO, sorry about that, Kimberly from Style Mum XO, and it did the rounds all over YouTube. Everyone loves doing it, and it's basically you set yourself a target of what you want to do in an hour and you go at it, and you put some music and you speed it up so you guys can see it in like 5 minutes. So that's what we're doing all of this week. Thank you so much to Kristin for putting this collab together. It was a fantastic idea. So let's get straight into it. So the first power hour is going to be cleaning my kitchen. So let's go. So that's it, you guys. 1 hour is gone past, and I'm going to show you what I've achieved and what I've still got to do. So let me show you around the kitchen. So as you guys saw, I managed to clean all the counters, backsplash and all at the bottom. I did touch the cooker because that's a different power hour stuff, and I managed to switch some stuff around, so I was getting a bit bored. It's still the same stuff, just in different places, and it always feels to me like it freshens up the place. So I did not manage to deep clean the sink, which I did want to do. And what else? I didn't clean the floors or the fridge, and I did not tackle this mess right here. But don't worry, that's coming up tomorrow in the next power hour. I'm going to start that right now and upload it for you guys tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and if you're one of my subscribers, thank you as usual for your support, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.